In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for your personal life, providing you with a quick tutorial to get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's dive in and transform your personal organization with Asana. First off, open your web browser and head over to the Asana website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you'll need to sign up. Once logged in, you're greeted by the homepage where all your project management magic begins. If you're wondering what to work on next, Asana's AI can assist you in planning your projects and tasks. It helps you maximize productivity by suggesting tasks based on your goals and schedules. A handy tool to keep you focused. To start organizing your personal projects, click on the plus sign to add a new project. Once you click, you have the option to choose between creating a new project or a new portfolio. Let's start with a project. You'll see an option called Blank Project, which allows you to customize everything according to your personal needs. Here's a cool feature. Asana lets you set up your project using AI suggestions or continue tweaking it manually to fit your specific plans. If you decide to use AI, you'll get a preview, which can save time by giving you a structured starting point. Once your project structure is in place, you can further add new insights. These insights may be tasks, goals, or notes that relate to your personal projects or ambitions. As you manage your personal productivity, you might want to categorize different aspects of your life. Asana offers a new portfolio option where you can organize related projects together. This could be particularly useful for separating segments of your life, such as personal, work, or hobby projects. Within portfolios, you can choose different views: list, timeline, or workload, each providing a unique perspective on your tasks, progress, and deadlines. Sharing your projects and portfolios with teammates is seamless in Asana, enhancing collaboration whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues. If you prefer a more visual approach, head to your portfolio and select the board view. This is similar to Trello, where you can drag and drop tasks, making it intuitive and interactive. Finally, by accessing your dashboard, you can track recommendations, resource allocations, work health, and project progress. Use this information to make informed decisions about how to tackle your tasks efficiently. If you're managing multiple projects, explore the calendar option to keep track of deadlines, which helps in prioritizing your workload effectively. Now that you're equipped with these steps, you're ready to skillfully navigate Asana and transform how you organize your personal life. We hope this tutorial makes Asana an indispensable tool for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.